For our design and tech project, we decided to base it on the story Possum Magic by Mem Fox, as it is a childhood favourite. This story is a good resource for early childhood teachers as it relates to Australia. The story is about an invisible possum who travels around Australia with his grandma, trying to find what human food will make him be seen again.
The first system that we used was the pneumatics, which is made from tubing and syringes. We chose to represent this by Hush and his grandma moving across Australia. The second system we used was the electric circuits. We used 3 globes to represent the states Hush ate the food to become visible again.
The first being a Vegemite sandwich in Darwin, the second a piece of pavlova in Perth, and the last a lamington in Hobart.
We placed the wiring at the back for easy access and to show how the system works. For the pneumatics, we used a bottle cap up here to adjust the movement of the end of the syringe. We also left the second syringe accessible for children to have a go at.
It can be used from the back or the front, and they can see how it's moving and how it's working easily. For the layout, we chose to use cardboard as we felt it was easier to poke the holes through, making sure they were secure. We also thought this was a good idea to show children how to be sustainable by using recycled materials instead of buying products, which can be found in most classrooms. We used a printout of Hush and Grandma Poss so that children are able to represent the picture from the book. We've also used pictures of a lamington, pavlova and a Vegemite sandwich just so children are able to
distinguish what each state had. Our initial design of how we pictured it to work was different to the final outcome. We found it challenging to connect the 3 globes to one battery pack as the strength of the lighting was weak, so we decided to use a separate battery pack for each globe. This model can be used as a resource in any early childhood setting for children to explore and as a teaching tool for educators who want to introduce design and tech into the curriculum.